Look carefully. Your eyes are working, your brain is not. Right now, somewhere in the wild, an animal is watching you, and your brain refuses to see it. Because evolution has created camouflage so perfect, it doesn't just hide life, it hacks reality itself. Tonight, we reveal the creatures that disappeared so completely, they broke the rules of vision, perception, and survival. This is not invisibility. This is evolution at its most insane. To survive on Earth is to win one battle above all others, the battle of being seen or not. Every predator depends on vision. Every prey fears it. So over millions of years, evolution turned animals into optical illusions, shapes without edges, bodies without form, movement without meaning. Natural selection didn't just shape muscles or teeth. It rewired how brains interpret reality. Because camouflage doesn't fool the eyes, it fools the mind. In the rainforests, there exists a creature that evolution erased, the leaf-tailed gecko. Its body is torn, asymmetrical, decaying, like a leaf halfway through death. Predators don't see an animal, they see plant matter. Even its skin reflects light like dry foliage. Even its eyes look like mold. But the true horror? It moves like a leaf. Slow, irregular, meaningless. Your brain ignores it because your brain evolved to ignore leaves. This isn't hiding. This is becoming irrelevant to perception. In the ocean, camouflage becomes something darker. Meet the stonefish, the most venomous fish on Earth. It doesn't resemble a rock, it is a rock. Algae grows on its skin, sediment settles into its flesh, its outline dissolves into the seafloor. Even experienced divers step on it because evolution erased every signal that says life. Predators don't hunt it, prey doesn't flee from it until it's too late. Because camouflage here doesn't protect life, it enables sudden violence from nothing. Your brain recognizes objects by edges, so evolution removed them. The cuttlefish can change color, texture, and pattern in milliseconds, matching coral, sand, rock, even moving light. It doesn't copy its environment, it becomes a simulation of it. Even more disturbing, cuttlefish can camouflage for predators behind them while displaying something entirely different in front. Two realities, one body. No human technology comes close. Evolution achieved this without planning, just endless survival pressure. Some animals don't hide by blending in, they hide by overloading your brain. When zebras run in groups, their stripes create visual chaos, confusing depth, speed, and direction. Predators can't lock on to a single target. The animal isn't invisible, it's untrackable. This is camouflage through perceptual sabotage. Evolution didn't erase the animal, it broke the predator's ability to understand reality. Insects took camouflage to an unsettling extreme. The deadleaf mantis doesn't just look like a leaf, it looks like a rotting one, with fungal spots, bite marks, decay patterns. Why? Because predators avoid dead things, they signal disease. Evolution learned something horrifying. Sometimes survival means pretending you're already dead. This isn't mimicry. It's biological acting perfected over millions of years. Camouflage works because your brain cheats. It filters reality to save energy. It ignores patterns it labels as background. Evolution exploited that shortcut. These animals survive not by strength, but by becoming information your brain deletes. They exist, but your perception refuses to acknowledge them. Reality doesn't change, your interpretation does. Camouflage this perfect tells us something terrifying. Evolution doesn't care about beauty, or fairness, or truth. It cares about survival, even if survival means erasing yourself from reality. Some creatures didn't evolve to fight, they evolved to disappear. And somewhere around you right now, something alive is watching, while your brain insists nothing is there. Welcome to Insane Evolution, where survival rewrites reality.